Hello, my friend. Welcome to our English podcast. I am very happy you are here today. In this podcast, I will speak slowly. I will use easy words. I will repeat ideas so you can understand everything. Our goal is simple. We want to listen slowly. We want to repeat after me. We want to think in English. This is called shadowing. I speak, you repeat. I speak, you copy. When you do this, your brain gets used to English, step by step, little by little. Let's warm up. Repeat after me. I am learning English. English is fun. I can do this. I believe in myself. Good job. Now you are ready. Read with clear pronunciation and at a medium slow pace. Part 2. Morning English Routine. When you wake up in the morning, you can already start using English. Think simple thoughts. Very simple. No translation. Repeat after me. Good morning. I feel happy. The sun is shining. I will have a good day. Now say what you are doing. I am brushing my teeth. I am washing my face. I am drinking water. I am eating bread. Good. Now think about your plans. Today I will go to work. Today I will study English. Today I will meet my friend. Today I will cook dinner. Quick shadowing practice. I wake up. I get out of bed. I drink water. I eat breakfast. I feel good. Great. That is your morning routine. Part 3. Afternoon routine. In the afternoon, you are busy. Maybe you are at work. Maybe you are at school. Maybe you are outside. You can still use English. Look around. Say what you see. Repeat after me. I see a man walking. I see a woman talking. I see children playing. I see a red car. Now say what you are doing. I am writing an email. I am drinking coffee. I am reading a book. I am waiting for the bus. You can also ask yourself questions. What time is it? Where am I going? Who is calling me? What am I doing now? And answer, it is 3 o'clock. I am going to the shop. My friend is calling me. I am waiting for the train. Quick shadowing. The sun is hot. The street is busy. People are talking. The bus is coming. I feel tired. Good job. Part 4. Evening routine. In the evening, your day is almost finished. You are at home. You can relax. But you can still practice English. First, review your day. I went to work. I studied English. I ate lunch with my friend. I walked in the park. Now say what you are doing. I am cooking dinner. I am washing the dishes. I am watching TV. I am reading a book. Say how you feel. I feel tired. I feel relaxed. I feel hungry. I feel happy. Quick shadowing. The room is quiet. The food is delicious. The TV is loud. The window is open. I feel sleepy. Great work. Part 5. Mini story and shadowing. Now, let's practice with a simple story. Listen slowly. Repeat after me. Story. This is Anna. Anna is a student. She wakes up at 7 o'clock. She brushes her teeth. She drinks a cup of tea. Anna goes to school. She studies English. She talks with her teacher. She laughs with her friends. After school, Anna goes to the park. She reads a book. She sees a dog. The dog is big and friendly. The dog runs. Anna smiles. In the evening, Anna goes home. She eats dinner with her family. She watches TV. She feels tired. She goes to bed. She sleeps. Repeat after me. Anna is a student. She wakes up at 7. She drinks tea. She goes to school. She studies English. She talks with her teacher. She laughs with her friends. She goes to the park. She reads a book.
She sees a dog. The dog is friendly. She smiles. She eats dinner. She feels tired. She goes to bed. Great!
Part 6. Review and closing. Now let's review everything. In the morning, you can think in English. Say simple sentences. In the afternoon, you can describe what you see. You can describe what you do. In the evening, you can review your day. You can say your feelings. And anytime, you can listen and repeat. You can shadow. You can think in English. Remember, small steps every day. Just a little practice. That is enough. One day, you will notice something special. You are thinking in English without trying. That is the goal. That is the magic. So keep practicing. Keep believing in yourself. Keep thinking in English. Thank you for being here. This was your English practice today. See you next time. Goodbye, my friend.